Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast, a series from American English Podcast.
Hi, friends. We're so happy to see you today.
I'm Sophia, and this is my friend Lucas. Today, we're talking about something we experience every single day.
That's right. Today's topic is weather and seasons. Weather is very important in our daily lives.
Yes, we talk about weather all the time. Is it hot today? Is it raining? These are common questions.
And seasons change throughout the year. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Each season feels different.
So today, we'll have natural conversations about weather and seasons. Listen carefully and learn with us.
Are you ready? Let's start. And remember, you can comment below about the weather in your country. We love hearing from you.
Okay, so let's start with our first situation. Imagine this. It's morning, and Lucas is calling me to talk about today's weather. Let's listen. Hello, Lucas. Good morning.
Good morning, Sophia. How are you today?
I'm great, thanks. But wow, it's really cold outside today. I'm wearing a warm jacket.
Yes, it's very cold. The temperature is only 5 degrees today.
Only 5 degrees? That's so cold. Is it snowing?
No, it's not snowing, but it's cloudy and windy. The wind is very strong.
Oh, I don't like windy days. The wind makes me feel colder.
Me too. But yesterday was sunny and warm. The weather changes so fast.
That's true. Yesterday was beautiful. It was sunny all day. The temperature was 15 degrees.
Yes, yesterday I wore a t-shirt, but today I'm wearing a sweater and a coat.
Friends, did you notice that? We said it's cold and it's sunny. We use it's when we talk about weather. It's very common.
Right. It's hot, it's cold, it's rainy, it's windy. We use this pattern all the time.
So, Lucas, what's the weather forecast for tomorrow?
The forecast says tomorrow will be rainy. We should bring umbrellas.
Oh no, rainy again? I hope it's not raining all day.
The forecast says rain in the morning, but the afternoon will be dry.
That's better. I want to go to the park tomorrow afternoon.
Friends, what's the weather like where you live today? Is it sunny? Is it cold? Write in the comments.
Now, let's move into our second scenario. Lucas and I are sitting at a cafe, having coffee, talking about our favorite seasons. Ready? Let's listen.
Sophia, can I ask you something?
Of course. What do you want to know?
What's your favorite season? I'm curious.
That's a good question. I think my favorite season is spring.
Spring. Why do you like spring?
In spring, the weather is perfect. It's warm, but not too hot. The temperature is usually 18 to 22 degrees.
That sounds nice. What else do you like about spring?
The flowers. In spring, flowers are everywhere. Trees are green and birds are singing. Everything feels fresh and new.
That's beautiful. I like spring too, but my favorite season is autumn.
Autumn? Tell me why.
In autumn, the leaves change color. They turn red, orange, and yellow. It's so pretty.
You're right. Autumn is beautiful. What's the weather like in autumn?
It's cool and comfortable. Not too hot, not too cold. Perfect for walking outside.
And what about summer? Do you like summer?
Summer's okay, but sometimes it's too hot for me. The temperature can be 35 degrees or more.
Yes, summer is very hot. When it's hot, I drink a lot of water. I also eat ice cream.
Ice cream is the best in summer, but I don't like when it's humid.
What does humid mean?
Humid means the air feels wet and heavy.
Right. When it's humid, you feel sweaty, even when you're not moving.
Exactly. Summer in some countries is hot and humid. That's very uncomfortable. What about winter, Sophia? How do you feel about winter?
Winter is okay. I like snow. Snow is beautiful and magical.
Do you like cold weather?
Not really. In winter, it's freezing. Freezing means very, very cold.
Yes, in winter, the temperature can be -5 degrees or even colder.
Brr, that's so cold. In winter, I stay inside more. I drink hot tea and hot chocolate.
Me too. Winter is good for staying cozy at home.
Everyone, what's your favorite season? Do you like spring, summer, autumn, or winter? Tell us why. We want to know.
Yeah, we love reading your comments. It feels like we're all learning together.
That was fun. Now, here's our third situation. Imagine I'm planning a vacation and I'm asking Lucas for advice about the weather. This is a very common conversation when people travel. Let's see.
Ready? Here we go.
Lucas, I have exciting news. I'm planning a vacation.
Really? Where are you going?
I'm thinking about 2 places. First, I want to visit Thailand.
Thailand. That sounds amazing. When are you going?
Maybe in July. But I'm worried about the weather. What's the climate like in Thailand?
The climate in Thailand is tropical. That means it's hot and humid all year.
Hot all year? Even in winter?
Yes. In Thailand, winter is still warm. The temperature is about 25 to 30 degrees.
Wow, that's very different from here. So July in Thailand. What's it like?
July is the rainy season in Thailand. It rains a lot, almost every day.
Oh no, I don't want rain during my vacation. Maybe July is not a good time.
What's your second choice?
My second choice is Iceland. Iceland looks so beautiful in photos.
Iceland is beautiful, but the climate is very different from Thailand.
How different?
Iceland is cold most of the year. The climate is Arctic, so winters are very long and dark.
Dark? What do you mean?
In winter, Iceland only has 4 or 5 hours of sunlight each day. It's dark most of the time.
That's so interesting. What about summer in Iceland?
Summer is special. In summer, Iceland has almost 24 hours of sunlight. It's bright all day and all night.
Wow, that's incredible. What's the temperature like?
Summer in Iceland is cool. The temperature is only 10 to 15 degrees.
Only 15 degrees in summer? That's like our autumn.
Exactly. So you need to bring warm clothes even in summer.
This is helpful, Lucas. Climate is so important when planning a trip.
Yes, you need to check the weather and climate before traveling. Different places have different weather patterns.
Friends, have you traveled to different countries? Did the climate surprise you? Share your experiences with us.
Excellent. Now, our last situation, Sophia and I are looking at old photos on our phones. We're remembering different days and describing the weather.
This is our final scenario. Listen carefully.
Sophia, look at this photo. This is from last winter.
Oh, I remember that day. It was snowing heavily.
Yes, the snow was so deep. Everything was white and quiet.
It was freezing that day. The temperature was -8 degrees.
But we had fun. We made a snowman together.
That was great. And this photo, this is from summer, right?
Yes, that was at the beach. The sun was shining and the sky was clear and blue.
The weather was perfect that day. It was hot, but there was a nice breeze from the ocean.
A breeze is a gentle, light wind. It feels good when it's hot.
Right. I remember we went swimming because it was so hot.
These photos show how different each season feels. Each season has its own special weather.
That's true. And each season has different activities we can enjoy.
Well, friends, we talked a lot about weather and seasons today.
Yes. Let's remember some important phrases. Repeat after us. What's the weather like?
It's sunny today.
It's cold outside.
My favorite season is summer.
The temperature is 20 degrees.
These are very useful phrases. You can use them every day.
Remember, weather is a great topic for conversation. Everyone talks about weather.
When you meet someone, you can ask, "How's the weather?" or "Is it hot today?"
Practice these phrases this week. Look outside and describe the weather in English.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click that subscribe button so you don't miss our new lessons.
Yes, we have new videos every week. Subscribe now to keep learning with us.
And leave a comment. Tell us, what's your favorite season and why?
Also tell us, what's the weather like in your city right now?
We love reading your comments. Your practice helps you learn faster.
Thank you.